Dr. Caroline Webb's astronomical research at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory had been analyzing solar gravitational perturbations when she discovered what appeared to be impossible orbital mechanics in Earth's trajectory. On February 17, 1966, while reviewing data from the Mariner spacecraft, she identified gravitational anomalies, suggesting a massive object sharing Earth's exact orbital path around the Sun, positioned on the opposite side of our orbit, where it would remain permanently hidden behind the Sun from Earth's perspective. "There's another Earth-sized planet in our orbit," Webb muttered as she triple-checked the gravitational calculations. The data was unmistakable. A planetary mass approximately equal to Earth's, maintaining stable position at the L3 Lagrange point, directly opposite Earth on the other side of the Sun. A location where gravitational forces would naturally trap a planetary body while keeping it perpetually invisible from Earth's surface. The astronomical impossibility went beyond simple planetary discovery. This wasn't just any planet. Preliminary spectroscopic analysis of reflected sunlight captured by deep space probes revealed atmospheric composition nearly identical to Earth's. Nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, and trace gases in remarkably similar proportions. The duplicate planet appeared to be another Earth in every measurable way. "Dr. Webb, you need to see these radar return analyses immediately," called her research assistant Dr. Marcus Rodriguez from across the control room. "I've compiled data from every deep space probe with the right orbital geometry to peek around the Sun's edge. The planet isn't just Earth-sized. It has continents, oceans, polar ice caps, and atmospheric cloud patterns. It's literally another Earth." Initial investigation revealed that the counter-Earth had remained undetected for centuries due to its perfect positioning. At the L3 point, it would always remain exactly opposite Earth in our shared orbit, permanently hidden behind the Sun's 1.4 million kilometer diameter, making direct observation from Earth's surface impossible without specialized space-based observatories. "We're documenting a duplicate Earth sharing our exact orbital path," Webb noted during her February 20th briefing to NASA leadership. "The planet maintains stable position at the L3 Lagrange point with Earth-like atmospheric composition, continental structures, and climate patterns. This represents either the most extraordinary cosmic coincidence in astronomical history or evidence of intelligent planetary engineering on an unimaginable scale." The first clear imaging occurred on February 28, 1966, when a specially repositioned surveillance satellite achieved line of sight past the solar limb. The images showed a planet with blue oceans, white clouds, green-brown continents, and polar ice caps arranged in configurations strikingly similar to Earth's geography, though not identical, as if someone had created a parallel version of our world. "The duplicate Earth shows geography similar but not identical to our planet," reported Dr. James Morrison, NASA's planetary science director. "Continental arrangements suggest parallel geological evolution or deliberate design mimicking Earth's general structure, while maintaining distinct geographic features and landmass configurations." The discovery triggered immediate classified protocols. The Department of Defense established a joint task force with NASA to investigate the security and scientific implications of a duplicate Earth, a planet that could potentially harbor life, civilization, or represent staging area for unknown entities monitoring our world. Dr. Robert Chen, an astrophysicist from Caltech, joined the investigation on March 3 to explore theoretical implications of duplicate planetary systems. "The probability of natural duplicate Earth formation at the L3 point approaches zero," he explained during the initial analysis briefing. "This represents either artificial planetary engineering or evidence that Earth-like planetary formation follows universal patterns we don't understand." The counter-Earth appeared to demonstrate active geological and atmospheric processes. Weather systems moved across continents, seasonal variations affected polar ice extent, and volcanic activity suggested active tectonic processes. Every indicator pointed to a living, dynamic world, rather than dead planetary body. Counter-Earth demonstrates active geological and atmospheric processes consistent with living planetary system, Webb reported during the March 10 planetary dynamics briefing. "The world shows weather, seasons, tectonics, and atmospheric chemistry suggesting active biosphere and Earth-like environmental conditions." Advanced spectroscopic analysis throughout March detected traces of industrial atmospheric pollutants, nitrous oxides, carbon compounds, and trace elements suggesting technological civilization. The duplicate Earth wasn't just geologically alive, it appeared to be inhabited by beings with industrial-level technology. The most significant breakthrough occurred on March 15th, when radio telescopes detected artificial electromagnetic emissions from counter-Earth's location. The signals showed structured patterns consistent with communications technology, though the encoding methods differed from any human radio protocols. We're detecting artificial radio emissions from counter-Earth with structured patterns suggesting technological civilization, Morrison explained during the March 17th signals analysis briefing. The duplicate planet hosts intelligent beings with radio technology attempting communication or conducting their own electromagnetic activities. The discovery raised profound questions about the relationship between Earth and its duplicate. Were the counter-Earth inhabitants aware of us? Had they also just discovered Earth? Were they responsible for the planetary engineering that created this configuration? Or did both worlds develop independently, in mirror evolutionary processes? Testing throughout late March confirmed that counter-Earth maintained perfect orbital stability at the L3 point with no indication of recent placement or artificial station keeping. The planet appeared to have occupied this position for geological timescales, suggesting either ancient engineering or natural formation through unknown planetary mechanics. Counter-Earth shows geological age orbital stability suggesting ancient positioning rather than recent engineering, Chen reported during orbital dynamics analysis. The duplicate planet has occupied the L3 point for millions of years, based on orbital mechanics modeling and gravitational interaction patterns. The investigation also revealed that some historical astronomical observations had detected indirect evidence of counter-Earth through subtle gravitational effects on other solar system bodies, but these anomalies had been dismissed as measurement errors or attributed to unknown dark matter distributions. Historical astronomical data contains indirect counter-Earth evidence previously dismissed as measurement errors, Rodriguez noted during historical data analysis. The duplicate planet has been subtly influencing solar system mechanics for centuries, but its effects were too small for pre-space age detection methods. By March 30th, the initial investigation had established that counter-Earth was real, inhabited, and represented either the most significant astronomical discovery in human history or evidence of planetary engineering and cosmic intelligence operating at scales previously inconceivable. We're documenting duplicate Earth at the L3 point hosting technological civilization, Webb concluded in her March 30, 1966 final discovery report. The counter-Earth represents either extraordinary cosmic coincidence, natural duplicate planetary formation through unknown mechanisms, or evidence of ancient planetary engineering. The inhabited duplicate world raises questions about parallel evolution, cosmic relationships, and whether Earth and counter-Earth are parts of larger system. The question now is whether to attempt contact with our planetary neighbors, and how to prepare humanity for knowledge that we share our orbit with another world. The systematic analysis of counter-Earth civilization required unprecedented coordination between astronomers, anthropologists, and intelligence specialists to understand the nature and development of the duplicate world's inhabitants. Dr. Caroline Webb established the Counter-Earth Analysis Division within a classified facility in New Mexico, where teams analyzed electromagnetic emissions, atmospheric changes, and surface features to characterize the mirror civilization. We're analyzing counter-Earth civilization through every detection method available without direct contact, Webb explained during the April 1966 analysis program launch briefing. Understanding our planetary neighbors requires comprehensive intelligence gathering while maintaining operational security and avoiding premature contact that could create interplanetary misunderstandings. The first comprehensive civilization assessment, completed in August 1966, revealed that counter-Earth hosted technological society at approximately mid-20th century development level based on radio emissions, atmospheric pollution levels, and visible urban development patterns. The parallel civilization appeared to have followed similar technological progression to human society. Counter-Earth civilization shows mid-20th century technology level with similar development patterns to human society, quote, reported Dr. Marcus Rodriguez, who led civilization characterization. The mirror world inhabitants appear to have developed industrial technology, radio communications, and urban infrastructure following parallel technological evolution. Advanced spectroscopic analysis revealed atmospheric composition changes over time consistent with industrial revolution and fossil fuel combustion, suggesting that counter-Earth civilization had undergone similar economic and technological development to human industrial history. Atmospheric composition changes show industrial development history parallel to human industrial revolution, noted Dr. James Morrison during environmental analysis briefings. Counter-Earth atmosphere contains industrial pollutants and carbon compounds consistent with fossil fuel economy and mid-20th century industrial technology. The most significant breakthrough occurred in January 1967 when linguistic analysis teams partially decoded counter-Earth radio transmissions. The language structures showed no relationship to any human language family, confirming that counter-Earth civilization developed completely independently from human culture and linguistic evolution. Counter-Earth languages show no relationship to human linguistic families, confirming independent cultural development, explained Dr. Sarah Kim, who led linguistic analysis. The mirror civilization evolved completely separate language structures, cultural patterns, and social organization from human society. Continued electromagnetic monitoring revealed that counter-Earth appeared to be in political state similar to Earth's Cold War period, with radio traffic patterns suggesting multiple competing nation-states and potential military tensions between different geographical regions and political entities. Counter-Earth shows Cold War-equivalent political tensions with multiple competing nation-states, Webb reported during political analysis briefings. The mirror world experiences similar international conflict patterns to mid-20th century Earth, including territorial disputes and ideological competition. The investigation revealed that counter-Earth civilization appeared unaware of Earth's existence, showing no signs of directed astronomical efforts to detect or communicate with the planet sharing their orbital path. Their space technology development appeared to focus on lunar and planetary exploration rather than searching for counter-Earth. Counter-Earth civilization appears unaware of Earth, showing no signs of detection efforts or directed communication attempts, Rodriguez noted during awareness analysis. Mirror World space program focuses on general exploration rather than searching for orbital companion. By 1969, Mirror civilization analysis had established comprehensive profile of counter-Earth society showing parallel technological development, independent cultural evolution, and current political tensions similar to Earth's mid-20th century state, while remaining unaware of their planetary neighbors. Technological development studies revealed that counter-Earth civilization had achieved nuclear technology and early space exploration capabilities, launching artificial satellites and conducting preliminary planetary probe missions similar to early human space program achievements. Counter-Earth achieved nuclear technology and early space exploration with artificial satellites and planetary probes. Morrison reported during technology assessment, Mirror civilization space capabilities approach early human space program levels with potential for manned spaceflight within decades. The most remarkable discovery was that counter-Earth showed similar environmental challenges to Earth, including atmospheric pollution, deforestation visible from space, and climate change indicators suggesting that parallel technological development created parallel environmental impacts. Counter-Earth shows similar environmental challenges including pollution and climate indicators, Chen noted during environmental comparison analysis. Parallel technological development creates parallel environmental impacts, requiring similar sustainability solutions. Cultural analysis revealed that counter-Earth electromagnetic emissions included entertainment broadcasts, news transmissions, and cultural programming suggesting rich artistic and intellectual culture, with music, literature, and diverse cultural expressions similar in complexity to human civilization. Counter-Earth broadcasts show rich cultural development with artistic and intellectual expressions similar to human civilization complexity, Kim reported during cultural analysis. Mirror world culture shows sophisticated artistic development and diverse intellectual traditions. Economic activity analysis revealed industrial development patterns, urbanization trends, and resource utilization indicating market-based economic systems, with international trade patterns and economic competition similar to human economic organization. Counter-Earth shows market-based economic systems with international trade and economic competition, Webb noted during economic analysis. Mirror civilization economic organization follows patterns similar to human economic development and international commerce. By 1971, comprehensive analysis had documented that counter-Earth hosted civilization remarkably parallel to human society in technological development, cultural complexity, and social organization, while maintaining completely independent evolutionary path and remaining unaware of Earth's existence. Space program monitoring revealed that Counter-Earth had achieved manned spaceflight capabilities by 1972, with orbital missions and lunar landing preparations, suggesting imminent counter-Earth presence on shared Moon and potential eventual discovery of Earth through space-based astronomical observations. Counter-Earth achieved manned spaceflight with lunar landing preparations, suggesting imminent shared Moon presence, Rodriguez reported during space program assessment. Mirror civilization space expansion will likely lead to eventual Earth discovery through space-based observations. The investigation revealed increasing urgency for determining contact protocols before counter-Earth independently discovered Earth, potentially causing shock or misunderstanding without careful preparation for mutual awareness and interplanetary relations establishment. Increasing urgency for contact protocols before independent Earth discovery, Morrison noted during strategic planning analysis. Controlled first contact preferable to surprise mutual discovery that could create interplanetary misunderstandings. By November 18, 1973, the Mirror Civilization Analysis Division had established comprehensive understanding of counter-Earth society, showing parallel development, technological parity, and imminent space capabilities that would inevitably lead to mutual discovery, requiring preparation for unprecedented interplanetary relationship. Comprehensive counter-Earth analysis shows parallel civilization at technological parity approaching inevitable mutual discovery, Webb concluded in her final Mirror Civilization report. Counter-Earth inhabitants have developed independent technological society with space capabilities that will soon enable Earth detection. The Mirror Civilization analysis demonstrates need for careful first contact planning and preparation for interplanetary relationship that will fundamentally transform both worlds, understanding of cosmic position, and planetary neighbors. The preparation and execution of first contact with counter-Earth required unprecedented diplomatic, scientific, and communication coordination to establish peaceful relationship with planetary neighbors. Dr. Caroline Webb established the Interplanetary Contact Division within a specialized facility in Colorado, where teams developed contact protocols and prepared for unprecedented diplomatic communication with mirror civilization. We're developing first contact protocols for communicating with counter-Earth civilization, Webb explained during the November 1973 contact preparation launch briefing. Establishing peaceful interplanetary relationship requires careful diplomatic preparation, clear communication protocols, and mutual understanding that both worlds share orbital path and must develop cooperative coexistence. The first contact strategy development throughout 1974 involved extensive preparation, including universal communication symbols, mathematical language foundations, and cultural exchange protocols designed to establish mutual understanding while avoiding misinterpretation or threat perception. First contact strategy emphasizes universal communication, mathematical foundations, and careful cultural exchange protocols, reported Dr. Sarah Kim, who led contact protocol development. Communication approach prioritizes mutual understanding and peaceful relationship establishment while avoiding cultural misinterpretation or security concerns. Advanced communication technology development created powerful directional radio transmission systems capable of sending clear signals to counter-Earth that would distinguish intentional communication from natural electromagnetic emissions and demonstrate intelligent origin-seeking contact. Communication technology enables clear intentional signals distinguishing contact attempts from natural emissions, explained Dr. Robert Chen during technology briefing. Directional transmissions demonstrate intelligent origin seeking peaceful communication and relationship establishment. The most significant breakthrough occurred in March 1975, when Counter-Earth independently detected Earth through space-based astronomical observations, sending their own first contact radio transmission expressing surprise, curiosity, and desire for peaceful communication with newly discovered orbital neighbors. Counter-Earth independently detected Earth, sending first contact transmission expressing surprise and peaceful communication desire, Morrison announced during breakthrough briefing. Mirror civilization initiated contact before our planned transmission, demonstrating parallel concern for peaceful interplanetary relationship. Direct contact establishment began in April 1975, with exchange of basic mathematical and scientific information, confirming mutual intelligence, and establishing communication protocols that both civilizations could understand, despite complete linguistic and cultural differences. Direct contact established through mathematical and scientific information exchange, Webb reported during communication establishment briefing. Both civilizations confirm mutual intelligence, establishing protocols enabling meaningful interplanetary communication despite linguistic differences. Progressive communication throughout 1975-1976 enabled increasingly sophisticated information exchange, including planetary parameters, biological information, cultural expressions, and diplomatic frameworks for peaceful coexistence and mutual cooperation between orbital neighbors. Progressive communication enables sophisticated information exchange, including biological, cultural, and diplomatic frameworks, Rodriguez noted during communication development analysis. Both civilizations develop understanding and cooperative frameworks for peaceful interplanetary relationship. The investigation revealed that counter-Earth civilization, which called themselves the Turalians, had experienced similar surprise and wonder at Earth's discovery, leading to parallel diplomatic preparations and desire for peaceful relationship with unexpected planetary neighbors. Turalians experienced similar discovery surprise, leading to parallel diplomatic preparations and peaceful relationship desire, Kim reported during reciprocal response analysis. Mirror civilization shares human interest in peaceful coexistence and cooperative interplanetary relationship development. By 1978, first contact had progressed to establishment of formal diplomatic protocols, cultural exchange programs, and scientific cooperation agreements that created foundation for ongoing interplanetary relationship based on mutual respect and cooperative coexistence. Joint space exploration programs emerged as both civilizations agreed to coordinate lunar and planetary missions, share scientific discoveries, and develop cooperative space infrastructure that would benefit both worlds while avoiding territorial conflicts or resource competition. Joint space programs enable coordinated exploration and cooperative infrastructure avoiding conflicts, Chen reported during space cooperation assessment. Both civilizations commit to shared space development and scientific cooperation benefiting both worlds. The most remarkable achievement was demonstrating that first contact created positive interplanetary relationship cycles where successful communication enabled better understanding, which increased cooperation capacity and continued relationship development. First contact creates positive relationship cycles where successful communication enables understanding, increasing cooperation capacity, Morrison noted during relationship development analysis. Interplanetary contact demonstrates that peaceful coexistence and mutual benefit possible between independent civilizations. Cultural exchange programs enabled both civilizations to share art, music, literature, and intellectual traditions, creating profound mutual appreciation and understanding, despite vast cultural differences and independent evolutionary paths. Cultural exchange creates mutual appreciation despite cultural differences, Kim reported during cultural program assessment. Both civilizations develop profound respect for parallel cultural development and intellectual traditions. Scientific collaboration revealed that joint research programs could address challenges affecting both worlds, including environmental sustainability, disease research, and technological development that benefited from combined knowledge and resources. Scientific collaboration addresses shared challenges benefiting from combined knowledge, Webb noted during research cooperation analysis. Joint programs advance both civilizations' capabilities while demonstrating cooperative relationship benefits. By August 14, 1981, first contact had successfully established peaceful interplanetary relationship with comprehensive diplomatic frameworks, ongoing cultural exchange, and scientific cooperation creating foundation for continued Earth-Turalian partnership. Successful first contact established peaceful relationship with comprehensive diplomatic, cultural, and scientific cooperation, Webb concluded in her final first contact report. Earth-Turalian communication demonstrates that interplanetary contact can create beneficial partnership based on mutual respect and cooperative coexistence despite cultural differences and independent development paths. The development of comprehensive Earth-Turalian cooperation required extensive programs enabling mutual benefit while maintaining planetary autonomy and cultural identity. Dr. Caroline Webb established the Orbital Alliance Division within a facility in California, where teams developed cooperative frameworks serving both civilizations while preserving independence and diversity. We're developing Orbital Alliance enabling Earth-Turalian cooperation while maintaining planetary autonomy and cultural identity, Webb explained during the August 1981 Alliance Development Launch Briefing. Comprehensive cooperation must serve mutual benefit while preserving independence and cultural diversity throughout interplanetary partnership. The first integrated cooperation programs, implemented in November 1981, focused on joint space exploration, enabling coordinated solar system development, shared research stations, and cooperative planetary missions that achieved remarkable scientific advancement while avoiding territorial conflicts. Joint space exploration enables coordinated development, achieving scientific advancement while avoiding conflicts, reported Dr. Robert Chen, who led space cooperation development. Integrated programs serve mutual benefit while maintaining planetary autonomy throughout space development. Advanced cooperation applications throughout 1982-1983 utilized Orbital Alliance for environmental protection, disease research, technological development, and cultural exchange, achieving outcomes exceeding either civilization's independent capabilities through combined knowledge and resources. Advanced cooperation achieves outcomes exceeding independent capabilities through combined knowledge, explained Dr. Sarah Kim during cooperation assessment. Orbital Alliance enables advancement serving both civilizations while preserving cultural and technological independence. The most significant breakthrough occurred in June 1984, when Alliance programs achieved comprehensive sustainability cooperation, enabling both worlds to address environmental challenges through shared technology, coordinated policy, and mutual support, creating planetary environmental improvement benefiting Earth and Terra. Comprehensive sustainability cooperation addresses environmental challenges through shared technology benefiting both worlds, Morrison reported during environmental cooperation assessment. Alliance programs create planetary improvement serving mutual environmental health and sustainability. Economic cooperation programs established throughout 1984-1985 enabled limited interplanetary trade and technology exchange, creating economic benefits while maintaining economic independence and avoiding dependency through balanced cooperation and mutual respect. Economic cooperation enables limited trade, creating benefits while maintaining independence through balanced cooperation, Rodriguez noted during economic program assessment. Interplanetary commerce serves mutual benefit while preserving economic autonomy and avoiding dependency. Cultural integration programs facilitated increasing artistic and intellectual exchange, creating profound mutual enrichment, while preserving cultural identity through celebrations of diversity and parallel creative traditions. Cultural integration creates mutual enrichment while preserving identity through diversity celebration, Kim reported during cultural integration assessment. Artistic and intellectual exchange enhances both civilizations while maintaining authentic cultural traditions. The investigation revealed that Orbital Alliance enabled planetary development enhancement while strengthening rather than threatening independence through cooperation frameworks respecting autonomy and celebrating diversity. Orbital Alliance enables development enhancement while strengthening independence through autonomy respecting cooperation, Webb noted during Alliance impact analysis. Cooperation strengthens rather than threatens planetary identity through diversity celebrating frameworks. By 1987, Orbital Alliance programs had successfully demonstrated that comprehensive Earth-Turalian cooperation could serve mutual benefit while maintaining independence through integrated frameworks, providing planetary advancement and cultural enrichment. Scientific collaboration achieved breakthrough discoveries in multiple fields through combined research efforts, with joint programs addressing questions neither civilization could answer independently and advancing universal knowledge benefiting both worlds. Scientific collaboration achieves breakthrough discoveries through combined efforts benefiting both worlds, Chen reported during research achievement assessment. Joint programs advance universal knowledge exceeding either civilization's independent capabilities. The most remarkable achievement was demonstrating that Orbital Alliance created positive development cycles, where successful cooperation enabled greater achievement, which increased collaboration capacity and continued partnership development. Orbital Alliance creates positive development cycles, where cooperation enables achievement, increasing collaboration capacity, Morrison noted during development cycle analysis. Partnership demonstrates that interplanetary cooperation amplifies capabilities while preserving independence through mutual respect. Peace and security cooperation addressed shared challenges, including asteroid detection, solar monitoring, and emergency response, creating mutual protection while maintaining military independence and avoiding security entanglement. Peace and security cooperation provides mutual protection while maintaining military independence, Rodriguez reported during Security Cooperation Assessment. Shared challenges enable cooperation benefiting both worlds while preserving security autonomy. Educational exchange programs enabled students from both worlds to study on sister planet, creating profound intercultural understanding and personal relationships that strengthened interplanetary bonds while respecting cultural differences. Educational exchange creates intercultural understanding, strengthening bonds while respecting differences, Kim noted during educational program assessment. Student exchange enables personal relationships, enhancing partnership through individual connections and cultural appreciation. By May 7, 1989, the Orbital Alliance Division had established comprehensive Earth-Terralian cooperation, serving mutual benefit, while maintaining independence through integrated frameworks providing scientific advancement, cultural enrichment, and planetary development. Comprehensive Orbital Alliance serves mutual benefit while maintaining independence through integrated cooperation, Webb concluded in her final alliance report. Earth-Terralian partnership demonstrates that interplanetary cooperation can enhance both civilizations while preserving autonomy through frameworks respecting independence and celebrating diversity throughout cooperative advancement and cultural exchange. 35 years after Orbital Alliance implementation and 58 years after counter-Earth discovery, Earth-Terralian cooperation had evolved into humanity's foundation for expanded consciousness and mutual advancement through the most successful interplanetary partnership in known galactic history. Dr. Caroline Webb, now serving as Director Emeritus of Orbital Relations, reflected on the transformation during the 2024 Partnership Harmony Ceremony. We began with astronomical impossibility and discovered our orbital twin, leading to profound partnership that preserves planetary identity while enabling unprecedented cooperation through mutual respect and shared development. The Global Orbital Partnership had become humanity's most successful interplanetary program, enabling cooperation benefiting over 15 billion combined population across both worlds, while maintaining complete autonomy and cultural diversity through frameworks honoring planetary independence. Orbital partnership represents successful interplanetary cooperation while preserving autonomy and diversity, explained Dr. Sarah Kim, now serving as Global Partnership Director. Earth-Terralian Alliance serves mutual advancement while strengthening planetary identity through cooperation, respecting independence. By 2024, the twin futures had demonstrated that interplanetary partnership could serve mutual advancement while maintaining independence, with Earth and Terra achieving remarkable progress through cooperation while preserving everything valuable about planetary diversity and cultural autonomy. The twin futures represented successful integration of interplanetary cooperation with independence preservation, ensuring continued advancement, cultural diversity, and planetary autonomy throughout partnership, serving both worlds, potential while preserving unique identities. Twin futures demonstrate successful cooperation integration with independence preservation, Morrison concluded. Earth-Terralian partnership proves interplanetary relationships can serve infinite mutual potential, while maintaining everything precious about planetary diversity throughout continued evolution toward enhanced orbital civilization partnership. The twin futures established permanent frameworks serving both worlds throughout continued evolution, while honoring independence, diversity, and autonomy that make planetary uniqueness valuable throughout infinite partnership possibilities.